Unlock the secrets of stash away in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning of the phrase, stash away. Whether you're an English learner or just someone who loves to polish their language skills, understanding such phrases can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started and unravel the secrets of stash away together. Stash away is a phrasal verb, a combination of the verb stash and the adverb away. Phrasal verbs are an integral part of English, often giving verbs a completely different meaning when combined with prepositions or adverbs. To stash something generally means to store or hide it away, often in a secretive or safe place. When we add away to stash, it emphasizes the action of putting something aside, typically to be used at a later time. To truly grasp stash away, let's look at some examples. 1. She likes to stash away some money every month for her vacation fund. 2. I've been stashing away these rare stamps for years, and now my collection is quite valuable. 3. It's a good idea to stash away important documents in a safe place. In these sentences, stash away describes the action of saving something carefully so that it remains undisturbed and available for future use. While stash away can be used quite literally, it also has some figurative uses. For instance, stashing away knowledge might mean someone is continuously learning and retaining information for when it might be needed. In a more humorous sense, when someone eats quickly, you might jokingly say, "Wow, you really stashed that away." When using stash away, it's important not to confuse it with just stash. Without away, the sense of preparation for the future might not be as strong. Also, stash away isn't typically used for people or animals, but rather objects or abstract concepts like money, memories, or knowledge. Let's put our knowledge into practice. I'll give you a scenario, and you try to use stash away in a sentence. Imagine you just got a bonus at work. What might you want to stash away for later? Feel free to pause the video and think about your answer. Great work today, everyone! You've learned all about the phrase, stash away, and how to use it in different contexts. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English speaking and writing. Keep practicing, and don't forget to stash away all the knowledge you've gained today. See you in the next video, and until then, keep learning.